Not too much to say this morning. It was a long night and I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee. Overslept just a little bit. Usually up about 6 or so. I slept till 8. So I must have been pretty tired. This time of year in Arizona, it's cold in the morning and hot in the afternoon. So. So anyway, I thought I'd just sit here and enjoy the fire for a little while. Let you guys relax around the fire with me. Just a little tip for you all. Let me back up a little bit. Been noticing lately that a lot of vehicles have their hoods up a lot. So I was thinking, well, I didn't know what I was thinking, but when I finally asked about it, I was told that if you leave your hood up, the mice and the rats won't get in to make a nest. And you know, if they get in there and start making nests, then they start chewing on wires and all that. So I thought I'd give it a try, but so I leave my hood open all the time, even at night. So in this area, they're out active at night, so I leave it up all night. I haven't got any rats or mice, so anyway, that's just kind of a little tip for you. And so if you go through some camp areas and you see people's hoods up, then that's the reason why. I keep pretty close eye on things at night anyway, so you know, cameras and all that are running 24 hours. So you know, they're not going to steal a battery and get away with it. So anyway, that's the tip today. So I wanted to tell you what I did. I bought one of those WeBoost, or Web Boost, I guess it is. Drive Sleek, WeBoost, Drive Sleek. It was the least expensive one. It was $199. I bought it on let's try it out and see what happens. Some people say they really work good, and some people say they don't. So I thought I'd try it, and if it's not going to work for me, then I can always send it back. But I'm going to do a review on it right now. I'm really, really happy with this thing. Last time I was out here at the lake, it took almost 5 hours to upload a 6.5-minute video. The one I did yesterday, after I plugged it all in, got it set up, it only took a little more than or a little less than an hour to do a 5-minute video. So there was a big difference with it, and then approximately the same area that I was in the last time I was out here. So without the boost, I had only one bar. Bars can be deceptive, and I'll show you how to figure out how to see what your real connection is in just a second. But as soon as I plugged it in, it went to 3 bars, and then within a minute or so, it went up to four bars. I hadn't moved, and so yeah, it's really working good. So let me set this up, and I'll show you what it does. Okay, come on, focus. Focus, focus. Time to hold the camera still. If you can see it, it's about 1 bar. That's without the web boost. It keeps dropping down. And so, let's wait a couple of seconds. Yeah, it's not going to change. It'll go up to maybe almost 2 and then back down to 1. That's without the web boost. So now let me plug it in. Sorry about the finger. So where's the power cord going? There it is. Hoping you can see that. A couple of seconds for it to take hold, and there we have 4 bars. So nothing moved, nothing changed. I just plugged it in. Now there's 4 bars. Like I said, bars can be a little deceptive, so let's I'll show you how to do a field test on the jetpack, the MiFi jetpack. It's really easy. Click on menu, scroll down excuse me, scroll down to about jetpack, and then I'm trying to see what I'm doing and hold the camera still too, so it's hard for me to do 2 things at once. I'll scroll down almost to the bottom. Okay, signal strength is minus 91 dBs, and that's considered to be a pretty strong connection. I don't know, can you see that? Get a bit closer. Now they say that the closer you can get to minus 95 dB, the better it is. So right now I'm getting a minus 91. Let me unplug it real quick. Sorry about shaking. Just hang on to your chair so you don't fall out. And we'll unplug it. Give it a second to figure out what happened. And it immediately jumped to 111, 114 dB, so it's bouncing between looks like 110 and 114. So you kind of get the gist of it. Go back to home. So we got about 2 bars. Oops. Just drop down to 1 bar. Plug it back in. Wait a second for it to figure it out, and it jumped to 4 bars. So as you can see, it does a really good job. Of course, now if you don't have a signal at all, then of course it's not going to boost anything. So there you have it. It made a big difference for me. You know, as you know, in the summertime, when I get up on the rim, sometimes I don't have a very good connection depending on where I am. I always try to find a place to camp, you know, where I got a good connection. But with this little device, I think it's going to give me more options where I can go. So anyway, like I said, there you have it. You'll find the link to it on my influencer page. It's in the link in the description below the video here. By law, I got to tell you that if you decide to purchase one or purchase anything from that link, then I will make a small commission on it. I have to say that, and believe me, it's pretty small. But it'll be on the influencer page, that and a few other things that I use. You can scroll down and check some of the other stuff out. If you don't find what you might be looking for, you can scroll back up to the top and type in whatever you want in the search box, and it'll take you to the Amazon main site. And you can, as long as you haven't disconnected and you know, reconnect. Well, there's a 24-hour period, but you know, if you find something else that you might like, go ahead and purchase it there from that link, and you know, you'll be the same price that everybody else would pay if you didn't click on the link. And like I said, the difference, there is no difference in price on them. So anyway, that's it. I want to get this video up. I'm pretty excited about this thing, so I can't wait to get back up on the mountain and start posting every day or every other day like I was last year. So okay, I guess that's about it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.